In step 1, I am going to show you how to find people that might be interested in the affiliate product you are promoting. In step 2, I will show you how to use a free robot to auto-generate content to promote your affiliate product. Next, I will show you the right way to copy and paste the content so that you can actually make money with affiliate marketing. For the purpose of this video, I am going to use a Digistore affiliate product. However, the strategy I'm going to show you will work with any affiliate product. Find the product you want to promote and click on the Promote button to get your affiliate link. Use a link shortening website like Bitly and shorten the link so that it will look nice. The question is, where are you going to find people that will be interested in buying the affiliate product you are promoting? When you don't have any money to spend on advertising, you want a free method that works. But often, people struggle to make money with free websites. As you know, I experiment with loads of free affiliate marketing methods and found Quora to be one of the best. Wait, don't leave just yet. If you just go to Quora and then paste your affiliate link on random questions, this method will not work. Pay close attention, there is an exact strategy you need to follow if you want to do affiliate marketing with Quora. The first thing you need to do is find questions that get the most amount of views. Obviously, these questions need to be related to your affiliate product. How do you go about doing that? Can you give this video a like and I will show you all the steps you need to do. Most people do it the wrong way. They just go to the search bar and type a related keyword like make money online. They see there are a lot of people asking questions about making money online on Quora. They take each question and start answering. After a while, they realize that they are not making any money with affiliate marketing. Then they say, this method doesn't work. So pay close attention, this is what you need to do. You need to find the questions that are getting views right now. There is a free method to find that out. Let me show it to you. Go to your profile and then click on Ads Manager. Don't worry, we are not going to create any advertisements. We are just using this part as a research tool. Click on New Campaign. Then create Ad Set. They provide 3 categories, make sure to select questions. Then bulk ads and then for questions. Type in your keyword. Here we are going to type make money online and press continue. All these are questions related to making money online. What's interesting here is that you can see the weekly views for all of these questions. You will notice that your conversion rate will be higher because these are viewers that are interested in the niche of your product. Open a few of these questions in a new tab. If you try to manually answer these questions, it is going to take you a long time. This is where the AI writing assistant is going to help to auto-generate answers, which you can simply copy-paste here. Also, the AI robot might be able to answer it better than you do. The best part is that you can get started for free. You can get your 10,000 words free if you want to try this out yourself and see. Just click on the first link in the video description below. After you create an account, you will see a dashboard like this. This AI tool has several templates, but we are going to use just one for now. If you like me to make a detailed video about this AI tool, comment below affiliate marketing. If I get at least 20 comments, I will create a future video. Click on the tab New. Then scroll down and click on Quora Answers. Now simply copy the question and paste it. Click on Generate AI Content. Within a few seconds, you will see several answers on the right-hand side. Read through the answers and select the one you like. Copy it and paste it in as an answer to the core question. This is important. Most people paste their affiliate link in the post. If you do that, Quora will delete your post. So this is what you need to do. Go to your profile and click on Edit and give a reason for people to click. Then paste the affiliate link of the product you are promoting. When viewers click on the link, it will take them to the sales page, and when they buy, you will be able to make money with affiliate marketing. Going back to your Quora answer, tell the users to visit your profile and click on Post. Just one answer like this is not going to make you hundreds of dollars. You need to write at least 5 answers a day. This just takes about 10 minutes each day when you use an AI writing assistant as I showed you. So repeat this for the questions that you found, the ones that get the most amount of views each day. Quora affiliate marketing is just one way to earn from affiliate marketing without website. I have created more videos in the past. Watch this video next.